Folic acid for hardness. Can this vitamin enhance physical strength? Have you ever thought that a simple vitamin could contribute to physical strength and endurance? Folic acid, a form of vitamin B9, is often celebrated for its benefits in DNA synthesis and red blood cell formation. However, its potential impact on physical hardness and strength might surprise you. Could folic acid be the key to enhancing your physical resilience and performance? Folic acid is essential for the production of red blood cells, which are crucial for delivering oxygen throughout the body. Adequate oxygen supply is vital for muscle function and endurance. When your muscles receive enough oxygen, they perform better and recover more quickly from exertion. This is particularly important for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who are looking to improve their physical strength and maintain muscular hardness. But the benefits of folic acid go beyond just oxygenation. This vitamin plays a role in protein metabolism, which is critical for muscle growth and repair. By supporting the synthesis of proteins and amino acids, folic acid helps maintain muscle tissue and promotes recovery after intense physical activity. For those looking to build and maintain muscular hardness, ensuring adequate intake of folic acid is crucial. Moreover, folic acid helps reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, can lead to muscle weakness and increased risk of cardiovascular problems. By keeping homocysteine levels in check, folic acid contributes to overall muscle and heart health, allowing you to train harder and recover faster. To maximize the benefits of folic acid for physical hardness and strength, it's important to incorporate foods rich in this nutrient into your diet. Leafy green vegetables, beans, lentils, and fortified grains are excellent sources of folic acid. For those who may not get enough from diet alone, supplements can be an effective way to ensure adequate intake. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have specific health or fitness goals. Are you ready to explore how folic acid might enhance your physical strength and endurance? How will you incorporate this essential nutrient into your training and diet plan? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.